Children, let's start our today's English class. Where we left in the previous video, we were doing the adventures of Toto. We had seen that grandmother was not aware about the presence of the next pet in their family, Toto, and it was fastened into the wall. As far as grandson and grandfather is concerned, that Toto was absolutely secure and safe there. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. See, the walls, which were absolutely decorated by the choice paper of grandfather, was now converted into the pieces of brick and stone only, plaster, because the Toto or monkey Toto had removed everything. It shows how naughty the monkey was. Which had been covered. Yes, the peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. See, each and everything which was kept there was in pieces now. His school blazer which was hanging there was in shreds, was in pieces. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. The grandson was extremely worried about grandmother, what she was going to speak up after seeing it. But grandfather was absolutely without tension, because he was thinking everything was nice, everything was quiet. He was very happy to see the performance of monkey. He's clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. He said, "Oh, this monkey is really very, very intelligent, and if time would be given, so I'm sure he can make a rope of the broken pieces of your blazer and he could escape from here." So, meaning the grandfather was such a great lover, animal lover, that he was, instead of feeling annoyed, instead of feeling sad, he was very happy to see the performance of the monkey. His presence in the house is still a secret. Toto was now transformed to a big cage in the servants' quarter, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. Still, the presence of Toto was a secret. It was not known to the grandmother. But now Toto could not remain fastened in that almirah or in the closet. So now Toto was shifted in a nearby cage, where a big cage, where so many other creatures were also living in a harmony. There were tortoise was there was a monkey, there was a rabbit, there was a squirrel, there was a goat. So they all were living in harmony there, and now Toto was one of them. But the monkey would not allow any of his companion to sleep at night. Earlier they were living in very great harmony, but now the monkey had gone there to spoil their peace, because he never allows them to sleep in peace. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along, because grandfather knew it that monkey would not, first of all, monkey was a secret. Grandmother should not know about him, and moreover monkey was not very cooperative with the other creatures. He had not been accustomed till yet. So when grandfather had to go to collect his pension from Dehradun to Saharanpur, he brought monkey along with him. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, but he told me about it afterwards. That trip of grandfather along with monkey was not accompanied by the writer Ruskin Bond, but later on grandfather narrated him the entire episode, whatever happened in that trip. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode. Now, grandfather took a big bag for Toto, and inside the hollow area of the bag, he kept some straw so that monkey could live there properly for the journey destination. This this with some straw, yes. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. Now, when Toto was inside it, he was safe. Nobody can remove him because Toto could not open the zip, and moreover, the canvas cloth was so thick that Toto was unable to bite it. So this it was confirmed when Toto was inside, he could not escape from that. Toto could not get his hands through. Yes, his efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Though monkey was not sitting quietly inside the bag, so whenever he was trying, making efforts to come out from the bag, so the bag was rolling down. The bag was just descending down. So, and the onlookers at Dehradun rail platform, it was a great sight. Everybody was curious to see them. Thank you, dear children.